To cloud computing, table of content, we're going to talk about computer technology history, advantage, disadvantage of cloud computing modules, virtualization, and privacy and security issues with cloud. Introduction to evolution, of course, you know this terminologies like personal computer was developed from 1985 to 1995. Then you have network computing 1995 to 2005, mobile computing 2005 to 2015. Then cloud computing 2015 2025. Then we have to talk about what is a cloud computing. So cloud computing is storage of data application on a remote server. So accessing them via internet and rather than using on your physical devices like computer, personal or office computer or personal devices. The five essential characteristics provided by cloud computing was on-demand, self-service, broad network access, resource pooling. It is basically putting your resources, your data to a remote server. Rapid elasticity means that if you are getting a good amount of a load, so it automatically divided it into a multiple servers. So for much more reliability, major services. So yeah, advantages of cloud computing are like lower computing cost, improved performance. If you build your or using your cloud computing was run 24/7, if you have want to run on your device, it's very costly. Okay, so that it helped us to lower our computer cost, improve performance was very improved, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability. Of course, the cloud companies provide latest versions for their cloud services, easier group collaboration, multiple people's multiple devices can work on a same project device independently. Disadvantage of cloud computing like required a constant internet connection, does not work very well with low speed. So you need a good amount of speed because everything is coming remotely. If it is everything is coming in milliseconds, if it's slowly, you're not gonna get a good response from your server. Store data might not be secure. There is always a privacy issue with cloud computing because your data was stored on a remote server. And the other disadvantage was stored data can be lost if any type of a natural disaster or company lost it, whatever the reason for that. These are server modules, software as a services, platform as a services, infrastructure as a service. So software as a service would be Google, Slack, Dropbox. Platform as a services like we have Heroku, which help us to deploy a website. Okay, then infrastructure as a service like all the cloud infrastructures like AWS, Azure, DigitalOcean, and these are deployment models like we have public clouds. These are cloud that can be accessed by anyone. There is no security on this public cloud at all. Private clouds are particularly made for private companies. They store their personal data on a private cloud. Hybrid cloud that is a company was also putting their employees data on the personal private cloud. So means it is a type of mixture of both public and private cloud. Then we come virtualization. So virtualization is creation of a version of a operating system, server, storage device, or any type of a tech. But the abstraction or they are hiding a physical characteristic of computer sources from their user. You don't need any type of physical characteristics or physical devices. You only need the internet. What type of services you want operating system, you want whatever service you want, they can provide. Okay, without just you need good internet connection. So that what the main point with virtualization. Then we have a hyper version. So it is virtual machine monitor, computer software, fireware, hardware that create or run virtual machines. Okay, so it is software which basically have to run the virtual machine remotely. So these are two type. In type one, we don't have a outside operating system or host. host OS in type 1. In type 2, we have another remote OS, which was getting our personal data. So, yeah, this is the main difference between type 1, type 2, hypervisor. Then again, the work continuous concept of based on virtualization, which is operating system and application environment which is installed on hypervisor, which dedicated to hardware. Okay, so it is helpful to improve the user experience. Okay, so they have a shared storage data on some remote server. So all the data, multiple servers pick up the data and provide it. So yeah, this is infrastructure. You can see in image how everything's work. Then, as this is the main question, that if cloud computing is so great, why isn't everyone doing it? The problem with cloud computing that it is a black box. You don't have a total access of it. You don't know where your data is storing. Okay, so physical access was not there. So that is the main issue. The client don't have a control over what happens inside the cloud. Even if the cloud provider is honest. So it can have malicious system, admin who can tamper with the virtual machine, violate confidential integrity. So these are the particular issues with cloud computing. Then these are the attackers, type of attacker. We have a outside attacker, which is mean some unknown person, maybe hacker, have your credentials, so they are getting your data from the cloud server. The potential outside attackers would be eavesdropper, impersonator, forger, hacker, and these are malicious insiders. So these are the people. This may be employees in the companies or someone you know. So this is the term insider. So this is a man who attack inside the company. So the potential malicious insider could be data administrator, network manager, or ITS staff. Now these are the method of password cracking, password storage, dictionary attack. These are the name of the attacking rainbow table, brute force, hybrid, common used password. So this is the encryption model. You have a plain text input. You encrypted it. So you encrypted it by using a secret key. So whoever receive it, you required a secret to unlock the encrypted algorithm so that it know what was the message was passed by the other person. Substitutional cipher mean that your plain text was replaced by other letters, maybe number or symbol. Okay, so this substitutional cipher or Caesar cipher means same. Okay, so it is same word. So this is the particular example. Like we have a plain text like please confirm receipt. The key was 3. Okay, so the cipher text was converted in this way. Okay, thank you guys. You can contact us via techlambda.com and yeah, okay.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.